Welcome again to my geriatric pregnancy. Again, my name is Gina, and I am high risk because of my age. I'm over 35 and have high BMI. So I'm gonna show you the fetal Doppler and see if I can find my baby's heartbeat. It is challenging. I've only seen maybe 2 overweight people in my search, but I'm pretty sure there's got to be more out there. Okay, and I'm just gonna add to it. Because it is not easy. Now, a lot of them actually are laying down flat, which does help. Yesterday, I was able to find it without laying flat. I'm going to see if I can do the same thing today. This is mine. I got it on Amazon. It's completely different than all the other ones that I've seen. This is the multi-doplex 2. I don't know. It was the one that came the soonest. So maybe I made the wrong choice, but the reviews weren't bad. So, I mean, it had like one bad review, but everything else was pretty recent and pretty, good. So I'm just going to face it a little bit down, pop out the gut. So this is definitely, the baby's definitely like down low. As I bring my waist beads down. Hold on, let me just pull that back up. So, let me see. So my line is not as dark as I would think it to be. So yeah, I just be having faults in my head. So, also I ran out of what they originally gave me. So I've been using aloe vera, which is really good still. I heard lotion cannot be as effective, and don't rub it in. Like, there was one video where the girl was like not as generous with it, and she had issues. Oh, it has something to wipe your hand and wipe it off of you. So let me see if I can find it. I'm gonna place it on here, and this is gonna probably give it like a bad sound. But let me see if I can find it. Hold on. Slow. Let me see. I'm gonna say that's the baby. And if you like to test it against your own heartbeat, you can put it up here. And no, my heartbeat's much slower. But yes. It moved. And that can be a problem sometimes, but sorry. It makes that terrible sound. Yeah. So that can be a problem if you don't know what you're looking for. And I don't know what I'm looking for, honestly. Slow. Let me see. I'm gonna say that's the baby. All right, so that is the heartbeat. Hopefully that helped a little bit in regards to the placement. It's just low, and I'm 15 weeks. So yeah, baby's not all the way up there. Even though I look like really big, it's just I look big. But yeah, it's not all the way up. It's down, and I even did like the Doppler on my heart to try to decipher the difference. But yeah. Anyway, I hope you do tune in again, and thank you for joining us.